Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix skate error. This software cannot be used at the same time as the game. Please make sure it's not running or restart your PC. Virtual controller error. So if you are also getting this virtual controller error in the skate game, then here follow the fixes. First fix is to close DS4 windows from system tray or task manager. So click on this arrow icon, and in the system tray, if DS4 windows is running, then right click on it and then click on exit to close it. Then close DS4 windows or virtual controllers from task manager. So open task manager. Now right click on DS4 windows and select end task. If you find any services related to virtual controller, virtual devices services running in the task manager such as Joy, 2Key, VJoy, etc. So close all of them, then launch the game and check. This has fixed the error for many users, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now also close Revast, Auto Hotkeys, Daemon Tools, XVDD, SCSI, Logitech G Hub, MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, Razer Synapse, Faceit Anti-Cheat from the task manager, and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to disable virtual controller or virtual devices from device manager. So right click on Windows, select device manager. Now expand storage controllers. Here if you find any virtual controller devices, then disable it. Next expand universal bus controllers, and also here if you find any virtual controller or devices, then disable it. Now launch the game and check. Third solution is to uninstall DS4 Windows from your PC completely. So in Windows search, type control panel and open it. Then click on uninstall a program. Then uninstall DS4 Windows, uninstall Joy 2Key, VJoy, Daemon Tools from your PC. If you find any of the software in the program list, then uninstall all of them. Then you have to restart your computer once and then launch the game and check. So that's all for this video. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix this software cannot be used at the same time as the game. Please make sure it's not running or restart your PC. Virtual controller error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.